Hi there, my name's Liz.
And I'm Rabiya, and we're part of the Public Engagement and Learning team here at the Vancouver Art Gallery.
We're standing in the lobby where we'll meet you when you come visit the gallery.
We wanted to give you a little bit of information about what you're going to see when you come.
You'll be visiting two different exhibits that are connected by a very versatile material, clay. It's a natural substance that comes from the earth.
So let's head into the gallery and get a sneak peek of some of the artworks you'll be seeing.
Okay.
This exhibition, Monsters in My Head, features work by the artist named Otani Workshop, who lives on a small island in Japan. His work features sculptures that are hand-built using clay and also includes some of his large-scale paintings.
We'll also be exploring the collection of John David Lawrence, an art collector who lives right here in Vancouver. His large collection of ceramics, another word for clayworks, is from all over British Columbia and includes over 200 artworks.
So between these two exhibitions, we're going to see a lot of clay.
And some amazing paintings too. Let's start by checking out some of Otani Workshop's sculptures.
Let's go. Otani Workshop likes making things by hand as a way of communicating his ideas. This hand-built sculpture was made in Burnaby while he was visiting British Columbia.
He was inspired by the nature in BC and actually used clay from the local area where he was making his art. Can you guess which creature might have inspired this sculpture?
And what about these little creatures?
Any ideas?
You'll get the chance to look more closely at these sculptures and many more when you're here.
Meanwhile, let's go into the next room and look at Otani's paintings.
Otani Workshop's idea of monsters is that they are friendly guardians that can guide us, rather than something to fear. This monster is called Tanilla. It's a huge monster.
It sure is. Speaking of huge, let's go check out the huge collection of John David Lawrence's clayworks in the next room.
John David Lawrence has an antique shop right here in Vancouver that is stuffed full of treasures.
He's generously lent the Vancouver Art Gallery over 200 pieces from his collection of ceramics.
Let's go explore some of the artworks that he shared with us. There are many different artworks and styles in this exhibit. Where should we start?
How about over there? Some of the artworks in this exhibit are very functional. They were made for everyday use, like some of these pieces here. What do you think they are used for?
But not all ceramics are functional. This piece here looks more sculptural to me.
Yes, and it's so incredibly detailed.
There are so many different kinds of ceramics in this exhibit.
And so many different ways that these pieces have been made. Ceramics is a very complex art form that involves a lot of different stages.
There are hand-built artworks, pieces made on a wheel, and so many different kinds of glazes, the special paints used for clay.
And different ways of firing the clay, like this artist here.
Each artist has their own unique approach to the process.
There's a lot to explore in this collection, and we're going to talk about it in way more detail when you come to the gallery.
We sure will. We look forward to seeing you all then.
See you soon.